Well, hello my friends. Here I am again with who else? With my good friend Tom Kuzi, who is going to do the second episode of our Rebel Turners Wood Turning with an audience. This time I'm going to be the audience. I'm going to let Tom do the turning. Tom hinted that he wanted to do a mushroom, a mushroom style bowl. So I'll be sitting off to the side and just see if he has any problems or if he has any questions that maybe will kind of bring it home with you guys and see how we... See, the longer you go with that, the prettier it's going. See what you just established over here, a nice deep area, and you still maintain it here. So that's pretty good, actually. I wouldn't play much with that. I would just flip that baby over. You're going to find this piece much easier to turn than that other one. I wanted to see your capabilities of a challenging piece versus an easy one.
I could probably turn a rolling pin pretty good. Probably.
I'm sure you can do it. I've seen some of the stuff you did. You do good work.
Well, I'm a pile of nerves doing this.
You know, the fear can be the biggest obstacle in people's... Yeah, that handle, that's the one bad thing about this lathe is the position they put that in. They should have put that in on the back side over here. You know, so you don't have them both. I added that wooden handle to make it easy, but it didn't work either. I'll probably end up tapping that and making it work for me, you know, and working off the side. So you're making a tenon for the 100mm?
Yeah.
For the big truss? Good. Which is about the size of the foot. too much of an angle, just a little bit. Just to keep it away from hitting the bark. Watch the bark all the time. Okay? Down. Okay? So now you work. You work the heads, the life center out of the way, the whole done thing. Okay.
Right, so,
Pretty?
oh yeah.
Woo. Good. Good.
Rebel Turner apprentice here.
There you go. There you go. That is a pretty piece. That makes for a nice pretty piece. Now you're gonna need this wrench right here, with the piece still locked up.
Oh, your wrist is killing me.
Really?
Oh. Oop.
Hope it's not the lay that's doing that. Going down, keep it shape. Now you'll find that your gooseneck will work a little bit better than that since you're going from that side. So use the gooseneck and just follow it. And just keep the tip towards the top a little bit. Keep your tool rest a little further away. Yeah. And because you need to be resting on this. And just nice and easy. Chipped. Easy way, nice and easy. Turn the blade upright a little bit. There you go. And nice and easy though. This is where people blow true holes all the time. You can tell, so you gotta stop it frequently and check your gauge. Use your finger, feel it, see how close you are.
First bowl I made the inside, the outside on the bottom.
Yeah, that's easy to
I
do.
still I have that. I kept
Yeah, it's easy to do. Because this is the sap. And that's what it turns to be.
Sure.
It's fragile. This also would be a good time, okay, to
Soak
preserve both on the sapwood and that bark to really get it going. But you can see that this thing is very residual to this CA also. It doesn't soak in.
Repels it.
Yeah, it really does. So I do this quite a bit. But it's amazing on how much it runs slowly. And this is the case where speed is what gives you a finish. Okay, nice and easy there. Tom. Yeah, no.
Wow.
You use.
More?
No, yeah. A little blob and rub it in.
And
Don't forget, anything you say can and will be held against you.
oh, you're not recording this, are you? Holy cow!
No, I'm kidding.
All of the above is false. I was just kidding.
That's right. That's what I figured.
Or like Nixon said, to the best of my knowledge at this time, I says to Nancy, he's guilty.
Yeah. There you go.
He's talking like a lawyer. So anyway, you know.
Now you're not going to be able to power to get your hand
Up
in there
in
to
there,
buff there. So the only area you're really concentrating on is that base.
Where I can get it. So.
Yep, absolutely. This Yorkshire grit is nice stuff, but it's a sanding sealer. It's a sanding aid, so you're not going to be able to rely on buffing it out. On something like this, for the underneath, the best thing to do, and I don't have any, is lacquer spray.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
For the underneath, because there's no way you can speed buff it. There's nothing you really can do with your hands in there. So you just do the best you can without getting your hands caught. So always be aware of what you're working with. Oh, what a pretty piece. And just go inside and do as much as you can with it inside as well. And run it at a fairly slow speed. See how you can get your fingers in there, and it will spread itself out. Just put it slow and stop running it. Yeah, and now it's a matter of just your fingers, making sure that you get that all the way around. Watch.
Yeah, I just trying to watch my knuckles instead of this.
Yeah.
That's it.
Can you get that? I really like it. It's where it lacks in grain, it gains it in other areas. All right, time to separate it. Separating, the only thing that I tell people, and this is the video that has gotten the most views I got. 600,000 views.
I saw that.
Okay. Now, everybody say, oh, you should have dipped it in, epoxy. Or you should have done this, or you should have... There's so many things you should have done, but you didn't do. And the only reason why I lost it was speed. And my last cut. I was going too fast, and I went in there too deep, and it split my little end.
Oh, yeah.
As soon as it took it off axis, that was it. Step out of the way because it's gone. So, you want to do something like that? You want to bring it close? The thing to do is slow it down when you get that close, because you can be over here cutting and holding it up.
Yeah.
Okay? I maintained the speed, and of course the speed was too fast for once I lost that. Oh, Tom,
That is beautiful.
you better talk to the camera. Forget the monitor.
Oh, it's hard. You're looking at a camera. I'm not used to this Hollywood stuff.
Yeah, I know.
That is beautiful.
The wood, the grain happened to work out really well. The green that's around on the sapwood and the bark is just, it's gravy.
Amazing.
It's the beauty of the whole piece. Nice job, Tom.
Thank you, Al.
You're welcome. We'll see you again
an
on the
honor to
next
be here.
turning. It is a pretty piece.
It is beautiful.
Well, thanks for watching again. This is the Rebel Turn. Until next time, which will be a little bit of a delay now since they're sending me back to work. I guess they figured 3 weeks was enough of vacation for me. So anyway, yeah, so this video will be uploaded probably on 2 weeks from the date that it was recorded. Which today is what?
I don't know. I'm retired.
I believe today is the 13th of January, so we'll see how long of a delay. It depends. And they will be uploaded from my remote job. Thanks again. We'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And to Tom as well once he gets his channel going. All right. Take care.